On my first try, I passed.
Look at that. First timer. First timer.
And she was no nonsense.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I was calming down,
Mm-hmm.
and then she told me to park.
Mm. So guys, guess what? Rashida?
I passed! I passed! I passed. I'm really excited.
Wow, congratulations,
I'm
Rashida.
thankful. Thank you,
Wow. Yeah, no problem.
Sam. Appreciate
No
you.
problem. No problem.
He worked hard with me.
Yeah, yeah. Now,
That was a mess.
was that your first road test?
This was my very first road test, and I passed.
Yep.
I'm not going to tell you how many points I got,
Yeah.
but
Hey, you still got a passing grade,
I
passing
passed.
score, so.
That's the most important thing.
Yep.
So, and I'm really excited, and now it's time for me to purchase a car.
Mm-hmm.
By the summer, I'll be driving my own little putt-putt.
Yeah. Your own little putt-putt, that's it.
Because I'm still a student driver.
Mm-hmm.
I'm still learning.
Yeah.
And I need to constantly drive as I'm learning. So
Now, let me ask you a question.
yes.
This is for the viewers. Do you recommend a lot of lessons? Because some people, they take 5 lessons, 10 lessons.
Everybody is different, but I think you need to take more than 5 lessons.
Yeah, at least recommend it.
Yeah, especially if you're a first-time driver.
Mm-hmm.
You need to take more lessons.
Yes, because the DMV, they recommend at least 50 hours of driving before taking a road test.
And I agree with that.
Mm-hmm.
I really agree with that.
Yep, look at that. First time
Because
taking a road test, and you
I passed. Because my first week of driving, I was still very, very nervous.
Mm-hmm.
As a matter of fact, I still get a little nervous, and it takes me a minute to calm myself down and relax.
Yeah. Wow.
But
Awesome.
I'm very thankful. I thank you, Sam.
You're welcome.
Now we're going to take highway lessons.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be seeing you next week sometime
Awesome.
with my highway lessons because I'm a driver now.
Yep, you're a driver now. Now you have your license.
I'm really, really excited.
So you got the yellow paper. They did it manually. See that?
Yeah, I got the yellow paper. Wait, let me find it so I can show you guys.
Yep.
I got the yellow paper.
Yep. She got the yellow paper. She did not get scored with the computer. It was all, manually circled. Look at this guy.
And parking, I made excessive maneuvers.
Right? Yeah.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
But I parked it.
Yep, you parked it. And they just gave you 5 points for the excessive
maneuvers. Yeah. And then I backed up real fast.
Oh, you caught yourself.
But I caught myself.
You're the one that applied the brake.
Yes, I applied the brakes, and she looked at me like. But she gave me 10 points for that, and I accept that.
Okay. Awesome. Yay.
And mind you, I was driving too slow.
Did you do?
I did 20.
You did
and
20
then I
and
went
above.
back. No.
Oh, you.
I kept going back, and I was like, "Oh, sugar!" And then I sped
and you
up.
caught yourself.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I accepted that 10 points off because I knew what I was doing. But I just didn't wanna. And then she was like, "Okay, slow down. I need you to hurry up and make this right here."
Oh, so she said hurry up?
Yeah, because let me tell you why. She told me to, because she didn't tell me in advance to make the right. So I was already upon that corner.
Yeah.
So she said, "Make the right." So I put on my right signal real quick, and I slowed down, and I made the right.
Oh, so awesome.
I became really, really nervous. And she said, "It's okay." And I was like, that's a few points she about to get me.
Yeah. Did she have that little kind of intimidating?
Yes.
Right? Like, I'm the boss, and you're going to do this. Rashida took, how many lessons did you take?
Oh, I took a lot of lessons. I took, I had 2 10 lesson packages. Then I took another 5-lesson package.
Okay.
And then I took 2 more classes.
And why did you decide to take a bunch
Because
of
I
lessons?
think I needed more lessons.
And you recommend a student
become more comfortable
taking more lessons?
Yes,
right?
I do. I needed to take more lessons to become more comfortable driving.
Yes. There you go.
Yeah.
You see, guys, you heard it from a student, former student.
And for me, you know, although I have so many people that drive around me, I feel that it was better for me to drive with an instructor.
That's it. Yeah, because the driving instructor teaches you how to pass the road
How to
test.
pass the road test. Exactly.
Yep. That's it. So, guys, if she can do it, you guys can too.
Anybody can do it if I can.
That's it. That's it. Congratulations, Rashida.
Thank you. I said failure wasn't an option.
You got a total of 27 lessons then, right?
Damn
That's awesome. Look at that.
I just doubled up on some of them.
Yeah. So you did a 3-second count when you stopped at the stop sign?
I sure did.
Yeah.
I said 1, 2, 3. And then I
did you do running commentary or no?
No, I didn't, because she looked real mean.
Yeah.
But underneath my breath, I was like, look around.
Look around. That's it.
I did. Every time I looked around, I was like, look around.
Yeah, always do your observation, yep. Observation.
Hey, it's Lulu and Lala. They're living in abusive relationships all over New York. That's right.
Alright. That's it. I'll see you next time on the podcast.